this utter madness that we saw on the big screen. ये regular नहीं, ये हम हर बार मतलब देखने को नहीं मिलता. This is madness. Being a part of this with these wonderful people. Talk to us about it.
Hello. It was an absolute blessing to be a part of this madness, and I think it's every artist's dream to work with. These are some of the most versatile actors in our country, and yeah, I mean, I've dreamt of this my whole life, but now that it's all really happening, I keep sitting with my parents and I'm like, please pinch me, because it's बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. But yeah, I just want to thank Mukesh sir, Aditya sir, Mukesh sir, and you for giving me this chance. And everybody has just been so good to me. And yeah, जो भी हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है.
जॉनर ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है इंडियन सिनेमा में खत्म हो जाएगा, और मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि जब मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा था इस लुक के लिए, तो हम काफी देर तक लगे हुए थे, कुछ 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे उस लुक में आने के लिए. और फिर मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था, हमें लग रहा था कि एक चीज कुछ मिसिंग है, बस एक चीज मिसिंग है, जिसकी वजह से एक सिमिलरिटी जो हमें चाहिए थे वो मिल नहीं रहा था. और फिर आदित्य ने आके कहा कि मैडी अपने होंठ पतले कर लो. उन्होंने कहा कि होंठ पतले कर लो, तो पूरे फिल्म में मैंने ये होंठ पतले कर, और फिर जो रिजेम्बलेंस आई है एक छोटी सी वजह से वो पूरा चेंज हो गया. एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैं महारथी हूं. नहीं, मैं धुरंधरों के साथ काम कर रहा हूं. सारे के सारे. एंड फॉर मी इट हैज बीन अ कंप्लीट ऑनर, प्रिविलेज, एंड if I may say, shitting in my pant moment, because each one of them is such an extraordinary actor. You have to be very careful about not letting your balls down. Literally, though, you have to play the game. And for me, I have to thank Mukesh Chhabra for having the vision, and Aditya Dhar for casting me, and Lokesh for making it happen, and to this rocket over here who's standing behind like a tycoon behind, or like a typhoon behind all of us. But like I said, we will say all the thank yous and all the gratitudes once the film is released. We'll get many opportunities, I'm sure, for parties like this. But I have to tell you, it's been a complete privilege to work with all my brothers here who are darlings, and to this super rock star who has invested not just his time, dedication, life. I can't tell you all that he's invested, but I'm going to tell you, Ranveer, this is going to be the biggest payback of your life.
We love you, Maddie, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Zordar Talia up.